If you want to curve your text in Photopea quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest method using the warp tool, so you can create curved text for logos, thumbnails, posters, banners, and social media graphics without any complicated steps. This is a simple technique, but it makes a huge difference in your design. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and beginner-friendly editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Photopea and create a new project or open the design you want to work on. Once your canvas is ready, go to the left toolbar and select the Type tool. You can also press T on your keyboard to activate it faster. Now click anywhere on the canvas and type the text you want to curve. You can type a short word, a title, or even a full phrase depending on your design. After you've typed your text, make sure it is selected. You can either highlight the text directly or simply click the text layer in the Layers panel on the right side. This step is important because Photopea needs to know exactly which text you want to edit before you apply the curve. Next, look at the top options bar. Here you'll see the warp button. It usually looks like a letter T sitting on top of an arc or curved line. Click that warp button and a pop-up window will appear with several text warp options. This is where the magic happens. Inside the warp settings, you'll see a drop-down menu for style. By default, it may be set to none. Click on that drop-down and choose arc if you want a classic curved text effect. You can also try other styles like arch, bulge, or different warp presets depending on the look you want. Each style creates a slightly different curve, so it's worth testing a few options if you want to match a specific design style. Once you choose your style, use the bend slider to control how much the text curves. If you slide it to the right, the text will curve upward more strongly. If you slide it to the left, the text will curve downward. A small adjustment can make a big difference, so move it slowly until the curve looks just right for your layout. If you want a more stylized or perspective-like effect, you can also adjust the horizontal distortion and vertical distortion settings. These are great if you want the text to feel more dynamic or slightly 3D. Just be careful not to overdo it, because too much distortion can make the text harder to read. As you make changes, keep watching the preview in the pop-up window so you can see how the curve looks before applying it. When you're happy with the result, click OK to confirm the effect. Your text will now appear curved directly on the canvas and you can continue designing around it from there. If the curve looks too strong or not strong enough, you can always go back and reopen the warp settings to fine-tune it. That's one of the best things about this method. It's fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. You don't need advanced design skills to get a clean curved text effect in Photopea. So just to recap, select the Type tool, type your text, highlight the text layer, click the warp button, choose a style like arc, adjust the bend slider, add distortion if needed, and click OK. That's all it takes to curve text in Photopea the easy way. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.